6 products I would never allow into my home. First up, perfumes. Many perfumes contain a cocktail of chemicals, some of which can be hormone disrupting. Our friends actually already know not to wear any when they come over. Next, candles. All the conventional ones are toxic. We use candles made with natural waxes and essential oils instead. Air fresheners are the worst. Not only do they contain hormone disruptors, but they can also be incredibly bad for your respiratory health. Instead, I open the windows and use natural alternatives like essential oils. Nonstick cookware is another common household item you won't find in my kitchen. The coating on these pans can leach toxic compounds, so look for alternatives like cast iron or stainless steel. Then dryer sheets, which I know is a big one for many. They are treated with a chemical called quaternium-15, which releases formaldehyde, a known carcinogen. I use natural wool dryer balls instead, or most of the time hang the clothes to dry. And finally, plastic containers. I haven't used one in years. Plastic release hormone disrupting chemicals into your food, especially when heated. So instead, I use glass or stainless steel. By making small changes like these, I know I am reducing our exposure